Hello and welcome to the demonstration and walkthrough for the Transit 808 app. This app is a companion app for Oahu's The Bus service and allows users to get directions and check real-time arrival information. For this demonstration, we'll be using an Android emulator called Gamiao, which you can see here. And the device that we're emulating is a Google Nexus 7 running Android 4.3. So I'm going to click on our app, and here's our home screen.
The home screen of our app has two sections, saved stops and saved trips. The saved stop is basically a list of all the stops that the user has previously saved. Clicking will take you to a detailed view that shows arrival times of that particular stop. Similarly, saved trips is also a list and shows the user's previously saved trips. Clicking on one of these will take you to the directions for the trip. If the user does not have any saved stops or trips, a message will show alerting them so. Our current UI isn't functional yet, so clicking on any of these items will not do anything.
Before we discuss the next section, let's discuss how the users will navigate throughout our app. The users can either use the navigation drawer or the back button. The navigation drawer is accessed by clicking this 3-bar icon at the top left, and this is our navigation drawer. Clicking on any of these items will take them to the appropriate section. If the user clicks on the back button down here, then they'll be taken to the previous screen. Now we will discuss the arrival information section of our app.
The arrivals information screen will show a list of all the bus stops that are currently serviced by the bus. At the top, there is a search bar that will filter results. Clicking on any of the stops will take you to a detailed view of the stop. The detailed view of the stop is also displayed as a list. At the top, it will show the bus stop's street location. The list will be of real-time arrivals. The list will be sorted in order of arrival and shows route information such as destination, head sign, and arrival time. Clicking on any item from this bus stop detailed view will not do anything in this version.
And now we will discuss the trip section of our app. So we use our navigation drawer to get there. And here we are. A trip is comprised of a starting location and an ending location. We also have a submit button and a button to easily clear both fields. We also have this use current location element, which can be clicked on, which will pre-fill the from field with the user's current location based off their phone's GPS. So we click on this and we'll get the Royal Hawaiian Hotel address. So then let's create a trip using that as our starting point. And I guess we'll go to Aloha Stadium. So I start typing Aloha Stadium, and this app uses the Google Places API to help get some suggestions for what the user may be typing. And lucky for us, our selection is at the top, so we'll select that, and then we'll create the trip. And here is the step-by-step directions for our trip, using only walking and buses as our form of transportation. Each step that is a bus will list the buses they need to take and their departure stop and arrival stop, so the user will know when to get on and off each bus. And that wraps up our presentation on our Transit 808 app. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen, and thanks for listening.